Janaza announcement provided by Hussein Rashad Janaza Foundation and Education.
Janaza announcement. Verily to Allah we belong, and verily to Him we shall return. It is with great sadness we announce the passing away of Professor Rezvi Sharif. Inna lillahi wa inna ilahi rajihun. He was the former dean of the medical faculty of the University of Colombo, and also had served as the chairman of the Postgraduate Institute of Medicine, PGIM. He was also the chairman of the Western Hospital in Borella, and also senior director of the Hussein Rashad Janaza Foundation in Education. Inshallah, his janaza will be kept at his residence at Fairfield Gardens, Turner Road, Borella, Colombo 8. Janaza will be preceded to Kuppiavatta burial ground at 3 p.m. for Asr prayer. Professor Sharif was widely regarded as one of Sri Lanka's most respected physicians, and a pioneer in nephrology, contributing significantly to the development of kidney care services in the country. Over several decades, he served as a senior professor of medicine and consultant physician, mentoring generations of doctors while playing a key role in advancing clinical medicine and medical education in Sri Lanka. Professor Sharif was also known for his contributions to addressing chronic kidney disease in Sri Lanka and his involvement in national health policy discussions. He was respected both locally and internationally for his expertise in nephrology and his contributions to strengthening Sri Lanka's healthcare system. Professor Rezvi Sharif, a well-known physician and nephrologist in Sri Lanka, is known as the father of nephrology. He pioneered kidney transplantation in Sri Lanka, with the first kidney transplant being performed in 1985 with the help of the University of Colombo, and team that included Professor A.H. Sharifdeen and Professor Gary Jayasekara. This was a great boost for patients in this country who used to seek treatment in India. Recently, the pioneer in kidney transplantation was required to undergo a kidney transplant himself. Despite many large local institutions in close proximity and international centers worldwide to undertake the transplant, Professor Sharif decided to undergo the transplant at Western Infirmary, Western Hospital, WH. Professor Sharif is 73 years old, has diabetes, hypertension and other complications, and was considered to be a high-risk patient for transplantation, but he had the confidence to undertake the transplant in Western Hospital.
May Allah the Almighty bestow His mercy and forgiveness on him and grant him a lofty station in Jannatul Firdaus. Ameen. May Allah in His infinite mercy bless for him. Forgive his sins, make his journey through the grave pleasant, save him from the torments of the grave and fire, make his grave large and a garden of bliss, make him seek the sacred water from the spring of Kauthar, make him cross the bridge of Siratul Mustaqim swiftly and enlightening speed to be among the Saliheens in Jannatul Firdaus. Ameen. My heartfelt condolences and deepest sympathies on the irreparable loss sustained. May Allah give sabr and shukr to the members of the family during this tragic period of their bereavement. Alhamdulillah. We all here dua on behalf of Hussein Rashad Janaza Foundation.